A second income used to be a choice. Now, it's survival. Most people today aren't looking for extra money for that bigger home or a nicer car. No, they're doing it because they have to. But here's what no one talks about. Those extra income strategies, they don't give you freedom. In fact, most of them steal that freedom away from you. And what happens? You end up working even harder and having less to show for it. By the end of this video, you'll understand why extra income has become essential and how to build a second stream that gives you more time instead of taking it away. And I'll also share with you what Andrea and I have discovered that finally allowed us to step outside of survival mode. The reality we're facing. Maybe you're familiar with the old formula, the one that says work hard, climb the ladder, and retire someday. Well, that's broken. That promise just doesn't hold up anymore. I think we can all agree that the cost of living has simply exploded. Gas prices, groceries, insurance, everything's gone up, except most people's paychecks. So people are gonna do what they have to. They deliver food, they sell things online, they drive until midnight, pick up odd jobs. And for a while, it feels like you're doing something right, taking action and staying ahead, or at least trying to stay ahead. But when you sit down and do the math, you actually realize you're earning less than you thought. You're trading your peace of mind, your family time, just to stay afloat. And that's not freedom. That's survival mode. If that sounds familiar, stay with me. Hey, it's like that old saying, it's not work harder, it's work smarter. The hustle trap. You've probably heard it, start a side hustle. And honestly, it sounds pretty good. Extra cash, flexible hours, and quite possibly something you might actually enjoy. But here's what usually happens for most people. That side hustle becomes a second job. You're staying up late at night, you're trying to juggle 2 calendars, and never really shutting off. Before you know it, you're busier than ever, but not any freer. You start it to gain more control, yet you lose more of your life instead. And that is the exact opposite of what you wanted when you started. Here's where everything shifted for me, and it might for you too. The shift that's happening. Something's changing right now. People are waking up to what's happening. We don't just want more income, we want more aligned income. We want to earn in a way that supports our health, our family, and our peace of mind. This is the new freedom, and not quitting work altogether. That's what I call time freedom. The ability to earn in a way that gives more of what truly matters, not less. And once you see that, it changes everything, because you stop asking, how can I make more money? And start asking, how can I earn more money that gives me more life? This is the most important part of the video. If you're exploring ways to earn extra income, these are 5 questions that I wish I would have asked myself earlier. Number 1, does it build over time or reset to 0 every week? You need something that compounds, where you put the work in today and it brings you income continually in the future. This is the only way to break that grind. Number 2, does it fit with your schedule or fight against it? Simply put, if it steals your evenings and weekends, it's not sustainable. A second stream should blend into your life, not bulldoze it. Number 3, do you believe in what you're offering? Because if you don't, it's gonna feel like you're selling, and that gets old fast. But if you do believe in it, and it does help people, then sharing just feels natural, and it more or less becomes who you are, or becomes part of who you are. Number 4, can you sustain it without burning out? Some income streams look really good on paper, but they demand non-stop effort. If it depends on you grinding every single day, then it's not freedom. It's pretty much a second job, just dressed up with a new title. And number 5, does it help other people too? Because the most important income doesn't just fill your wallet, it fills purpose. When what you do creates value for others, It naturally grows, and you don't have to force it. And now for the best part of the video, your comments. Andrea and I always look forward to reading any of the comments in our videos, and we're looking for your ideas and thoughts on time freedom. What does it mean to you, and are you ready to start? Here's what I've learned. If your income depends solely on your effort, then you're capped. If it depends on real value that helps others, you're scalable. And when you combine those 5 principles, something shifts. You stop chasing money and you begin building freedom. For Andrea and I, we wanted something that we could build together. Something that was long-lasting and aligned with our values and wasn't pulling us away from the life that we're building. We found that through helping families make simple changes that improve their homes, their health, and their finances all at once. It wasn't about selling or chasing people. It was about showing others how to switch to better, safer products and benefit in the process. We didn't have to create a business from scratch. We just shared what was helping us. And over time, it grew, slowly, but consistently. And that's when we discovered that we were building time freedom, real time freedom. If you're curious, I put a link in the description so you can go check out the same overview that Andrea and I started with. The link takes you to a form where we ask a few questions, and yes, Andrea and I will personally get back to you. No pressure, just information that might open a door for you too. If you felt that quiet voice saying, there must be something more, you're not alone. I felt that too, and I felt it for years. And what I learned is that time freedom isn't luck. It's not fancy, it's built through intentional choice. So if you're ready to step off the treadmill and step into something that provides for you and your family, go check out that link in the description and stay on your path.